Periodic table isn't alien language anymore. We already learned the 90 elements of periodic table in the previous video. Now, we're diving into those two rows at the bottom, the Lanthanides and the Actinides. As we learned lanthanum 57 and actinium 89 before with 90 elements together, we will skip those two. We will learn cerium 58 to lutetium and thorium 90 to lawrencium 103. These are the F-block elements, placed there to keep the periodic table from being impractically wide. You might hear them called rare earth elements, but that's a bit of a misnomer. The rare part actually comes from the historical difficulty in separating them. But these elements are crucial for modern technology. To learn their complex names, we'll use a powerful tool, mnemonics. For the Lanthanides, our mnemonic is a story about a very big meal. Let's dig in. Our beginning of story will start with food. Keep food around you because it might make you hungry unless you have meal already. Our story begins with a peculiar breakfast. A bowl of cereal, a flaky pastry, and a side of noodles. For my afternoon, or PM meal, I had a smash sandwich with European Gouda cheese. The sandwich needs some kick, so I grab my Tabasco, a dying hot sauce because it has the best flavor. The whole meal is like a gourmet elevation burger with tomato and yellow bell pepper. Yes, a very filling lunch. Now let's connect this feast to the elements. Cereal is for cerium Ce. It's the most abundant rare earth element. Cerium has common uses in glass polishing, in lighter flints, self-cleaning ovens. Pastry is praseodymium, PR. Praseodymium is used to welders' goggles, arc lights for studio lighting, and film projectors. Noodles is neodymium, and neodymium is used to make the strongest permanent magnets for electronics, hard drives, headphones, electric vehicles, and medical imaging devices. PM is for promethium, PM. Promethium is used in specialized atomic batteries for devices like satellites and pacemakers, and in luminous paint. Smash gives us samarium cesium. It's used in high-temperature magnets, and a radioactive isotope is used in medicine to kill cancer cells. European is europium U. It's used as a security feature on euro banknotes, glowing red under UV light, and creates the red pixels in LED screens. Gouda is gadolinium GD, famously used as a contrast agent in MRI scans. Its magnetic properties dramatically improve image clarity. Tabasco is for terbium TB. It creates the green phosphors in LED screens and is used in advanced naval sonar systems. Dyeing gives us dysprosium, DY. It's vital for control rods in nuclear reactors and helps magnets in EVs work at high temperatures. Hot sauce gives us holmium Ho. It has the highest magnetic strength of any element and is used in medical lasers for surgeries like breaking up kidney stones. Elevation burger is erbium air. It's an unsung hero of the internet, used in fiber optic cables to amplify data signals. Tomato is for thulium, TM, the rarest stable lanthanide. When activated, it becomes a portable source of X-rays for medical devices. Yellow bell pepper is ytterbium, Web. It's used to create ultra-precise atomic clocks and improves the strength of stainless steel. And finally, lunch gives us lutetium Lu. Named after Paris, it's the hardest lanthanide, valuable in PET scan detectors, and marks the end of our delicious journey. Feeling overwhelmed by the periodic table? Those two mysterious rows at the bottom, the Lanthanides and Actinides, can be especially tough. Today we're going to conquer the Actinides, from element 90 to 103. We will chat about the great artists Pablo Picasso, Napoleon, and their motivational great work. The row started from thorium 90 to lawrencium 103. The great artist Pablo Picasso and the inspire uplift Napoleon. He put his ambitious charm to do something good back then, confident, easygoing, but firm when need be for good reasons, mindful, noble cavalry. The great artist for thorium, Pablo Picasso, Pa for protactinium, the inspire uplift Napoleon, uplift U for uranium, Napoleon Emp for neptunium. He put his ambitious charm, put Pu for plutonium, ambitious Am for americium, charm Sem for curium. Back then, confident, easygoing but firm when need to be for good reasons, mindful, noble cavalry. Back then, BK for berkelium, confident. CF for californium, easygoing S for einsteinium, firm Fem for fermium, mindful MD stands for mendelevium, noble No for nobelium, cavalry Larnier for lawrencium. Congratulations, you've officially done it. You've put in the work, conquered the challenge, and can now name even the hardest elements like a pro. The periodic table is no longer a test, but a fascinating storybook. Each element is a character with its own tale. The key to remember name of them to see how those elements connected with our everyday life. That's the effective way it becomes familiar with you instead of trying to memorize them without clue with the jaw-breaking words. Remember this feeling of accomplishment. Carry it with you because this is just the beginning of your satisfying chemistry journey. Stay tuned for more tips. Bye for now.